AI-driven precision farming starts with comprehensive data collection. Sensors, drones, and satellites are used to gather real-time information. These technologies monitor critical factors such as soil conditions. Data on weather patterns and overall crop health is also continuously collected. Data collected from various sources is input into AI algorithms. These algorithms analyze the data to identify patterns and insights. The analysis focuses on optimizing key agricultural practices. These practices include irrigation to ensure efficient water use. Fertilization and pest control strategies are also optimized based on the AI analysis. AI empowers farmers to optimize resource allocation in agricultural practices. This technology enables precise application of resources based on real-time needs. Resources are deployed only where and when they are required, minimizing waste. Precision application leads to a significant reduction in overall resource consumption. AI-driven insights help maximize crop yields through targeted interventions. Ultimately, this approach enhances efficiency and sustainability in agriculture. AI enhances food supply chain management through predictive analytics. AI algorithms forecast demand to optimize production and distribution. Inventory management is improved by AI, reducing waste and spoilage. AI efficiently routes transportation, minimizing delivery times and costs. AI-powered systems are deployed to monitor storage conditions in warehouses. These systems precisely track temperature and humidity levels. Optimal environmental conditions are maintained to minimize spoilage. This monitoring extends the shelf life of stored goods. AI algorithms are used to optimize delivery routes in transportation logistics. Route optimization helps in reducing overall transportation costs. Efficient routes minimize the time required for goods to reach consumers. This results in faster delivery times and improved customer satisfaction. AI-powered robots are increasingly used in food processing plants. These robots automate tasks such as sorting and cutting food items. They also handle packaging, ensuring consistent and efficient output. This automation leads to increased overall efficiency in the plant. The use of AI reduces labor costs associated with these repetitive tasks. AI algorithms are used to analyze data collected from sensors in food processing plants. These algorithms optimize processing parameters to enhance efficiency. Key parameters include cooking time, temperature, and ingredient ratios. Optimisation ensure consiste product quality across batch. AI also helps maintain uniform taste profiles in processed foods. This leads to improved customer satisfaction and reduced waste. AI-powered vision systems are deployed in quality control labs for food inspection. These systems are designed to detect defects and contaminants in food products. AI enhances inspection accuracy compared to manual human inspection. The speed of inspection is also significantly increased through AI automation. This leads to more efficient and reliable quality control processes. AI algorithms are used to analyze data from sensors in food quality control labs. The AI identifies potential food safety hazards such as bacteria and allergens. This analysis helps ensure food products comply with safety regulations. The use of AI enhances the speed and accuracy of hazard detection in food processing. AI systems are deployed to oversee food preparation in restaurant kitchens. These systems continuously monitor the cooking and assembly processes. AI ensures that recipes are followed precisely and consistently. This monitoring helps maintain uniform quality in every dish served. AI algorithms are used to analyze customer feedback in the restaurant industry. Sales data is also analyzed to identify trends and preferences. This analysis helps in optimizing menu planning. AI identifies popular dishes based on customer data. Menu adjustments can then be made to enhance customer satisfaction and profitability. AI systems monitor grocery store inventory levels in real time. These systems continuously track the quantity of each item on the shelves. When stock levels fall below a certain threshold, alerts are triggered. Store managers are promptly notified to restock the depleted items. AI algorithms are deployed to analyze extensive customer purchase data. These algorithms identify patterns and trends in shopping behavior. Based on this analysis, personalized product recommendations are generated. Customers receive targeted promotions tailored to their individual preferences. This personalization enhances the overall shopping experience for each customer. Ultimately, AI aims to improve customer satisfaction and drive sales. AI-powered chatbots are integrated into online food ordering platforms. These chatbots offer immediate customer support. They efficiently address customer inquiries regarding products. Chatbots also provide real-time updates and answer questions about order status. AI algorithms are used to analyze customer data in online food ordering platforms. This analysis focuses on identifying individual customer preferences. Based on these preferences, the AI personalizes food and restaurant recommendations. The system can suggest new dishes that align with the customer's taste profile. AI also recommends restaurants that match the customer's preferred cuisine and dining style. AI systems are deployed to analyze data related to food waste. Data is gathered from diverse sources throughout the food supply chain. These systems identify recurring patterns and trends in food wastage. The analysis helps in understanding the causes and locations of waste. Based on the insights, AI suggests targeted strategies for reduction. These strategies aim to minimize waste at various stages, from production to consumption. AI algorithms play a crucial role in optimizing food donation programs. These algorithms analyze data to identify sources of surplus food. AI ensures that excess food is efficiently directed to those in need. This targeted distribution minimizes potential food waste. Effective food donation programs reduce environmental impact and address food insecurity. AI optimizes resource usage in agriculture for sustainable farming. AI-driven optimization reduces water consumption in agriculture. AI algorithms minimize the use of fertilizers, promoting ecological balance. AI contributes to improved soil health through data-driven insights. Sustainable agriculture practices are enhanced by AI's analytical capabilities. AI algorithms analyze individual dietary needs and preferences. This analysis considers factors like age, activity level, and health conditions. Based on the analysis, AI creates personalized meal plans. AI also provides tailored nutritional recommendations. The goal is to optimize health and well-being through customized dietary guidance. Predictive analytics utilizes AI algorithms to forecast future outcomes. These algorithms analyze market trends to predict consumer behavior. This analysis helps predict future demand for specific food products. Companies can leverage these predictions to optimize production. Informed decisions regarding distribution are also facilitated by predictive analytics. AI-powered blockchain systems enhance food product traceability. These systems track food products across the supply chain, from farm to table. Consumers gain access to detailed information about product origin. Information on processing methods is also provided. Handling procedures are transparently documented for each food product. AI-powered robots are being integrated into restaurant operations. Automated systems are utilized in food preparation processes. These systems also assist in serving customers efficiently. Inventory management is streamlined through automation technologies. This leads to increased efficiency and reduced operational costs. Restaurant automation is transforming the dining experience. AI implementation in the food industry presents several challenges. One key concern is the potential displacement of human workers due to automation. Data privacy is another ethical consideration, especially with increased data collection. Algorithmic bias in AI systems can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Addressing these challenges is crucial for responsible AI adoption. Careful planning and ethical guidelines are needed to mitigate negative impacts. The food industry is seeing increasing integration of artificial intelligence. One future trend involves the development of novel AI-powered food products. AI algorithms can be used to optimize taste, texture, and nutritional content. Another trend is the growing use of AI in personalized nutrition. AI can analyze individual health data to recommend tailored diets. This leads to more effective and targeted approaches to health and wellness through food.